People simply clicking on your links but never buying? Why are people simply clicking on your links but you are not generating leads and your leads are not converting into sales? This is simply because you need to warm up your potential prospect. What do I mean by that? You need to send out email sequences that you can set up from Systems.io. You can have 10 sentence sequences so that when a potential prospect click the email address into a capture page, this way you are now generating leads and building your email list. Remember, a confused mind do not buy products and services from you. I highly recommend you should stick to one link. Why? You do not want to drive your prospects all over the place and they might be thinking, what is next? Where do I click in? How do I buy this product, this book, this course, this program? How do I attend this live webinar? A confused mind do not purchase. So I highly recommend to you have one link so that your potential prospect can make it so that you are making it much more easier and convenient for someone to purchase something. So coming back to warming up your prospects, now you are sending out one sentence a day, the email that you have already typed out. You got it. So now you're sending one sentence a day, building that deeper know, like, and trust, giving your prospect more information on your products, your services, just adding value, being helpful. This way you can draw more people into your world, for them to know and understand what you are about. That way you are warming up your prospects so that they are building awareness and can make a decision on whether or not to purchase your products. So like this video, share this video in the comment section below, drop a 3 and I'll share with you all information how you can actually compile this and warm up your prospects more. Save this video each and every day. I document videos just for you. Thank you and you're welcome.